Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
The title of this video is Lily made her first pizza at home.
3D animated story for kids in English.
One sunny afternoon, Lily had a fun idea. I want to make pizza all by myself. She wore her apron, grabbed the flour and started mixing the dough. Oops, it's so sticky. My hands are like glue. She rolled the dough and added her favorite toppings: cheese, tomatoes, mushrooms, and even some olives. Look at my yummy pizza.
It's so colorful.
Lily carefully put the pizza in the oven, then waited and waited. Come on, pizza. I can't wait to taste you. The pizza was ready. Lily took a bite. Wow, it's delicious. I made this all by myself. She served it to her family and everyone smiled. Great job, Lily. Thank you. I'm a real pizza chef now. And from that day, Lily knew cooking at home can be so much fun.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.